In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task management system in Airtable. We'll start right in the browser. Head over to airtable.com. If you're new to Airtable, it's a flexible database that feels like a spreadsheet, which makes it perfect for organizing tasks without a steep learning curve. On the home page, click Login. To make things quick, choose Continue with Google. This lets you sign in securely without creating a separate password. When prompted, select your Google account and confirm any permissions so Airtable can complete the sign-in. In a moment, you'll land on your Airtable home. From here, look for the option that says Select a template to get started and customize as you go. Templates are a great shortcut because they provide pre-built tables, fields, and views you can immediately adapt to your workflow. Next, click Explore More Templates to open the full gallery. In the search bar, type Workforce. We're going to repurpose a ready-made structure that's designed for organizing people and work, which translates nicely into a task tracker. Open the Workforce Planning template. You'll see an overview showing what's inside, typically tables for projects, roles, and assignments, along with views that group or filter items. This framework is useful for task management because it already connects who's responsible, what needs doing, and when it's due. Click. Try this template. Airtable will create a new base in your workspace using that layout. Give it a moment to spin up, then it will open with sample records so you can see how everything works. You now have a work management setup you can edit. Start by clicking into a sample task and replacing the placeholder name with one of your real tasks. Update the owner so it points to the right teammate. Adjust the priority to match urgency, set a due date, and switch the status to reflect progress. If a field label doesn't match your wording, you can rename it to something clearer for your team. Airtable updates it across the base. The grid view is best for quick editing, while the calendar or grouped views help you visualize deadlines and workload once you've entered a few tasks. As you replace the demo data with your own, keep related items consistent. For example, use the same project name across tasks so grouping and rollups stay accurate. If you don't need a column, hide it for a cleaner interface. Nothing is deleted, and you can bring it back later. All your changes save automatically, so there's no risk of losing work. That's it. You've built a functional task management system in Airtable using a template, and it's ready for your team's tasks today.